This feature adjusts the amount of force needed to adjust the backrest. Twist clockwise to increase the strength of tension for your chair. Twist counterclockwise to decrease the tension. Twist the paddle to adjust the height up or down. To move down, use your body weight to lower the chair. To move up, stand up and let the chair raise. Holding the knuckle cover, raise pivot arm until the arm releases from the bracket. Pivot the arm front or back to the desired location. To adjust the height of the armrest, locate the button underneath the armrest pad. Push the button in to raise or lower the arm. Button location is the same for both C-loop and pivot arm. You may adjust the pivot arm forward or backward, left to right, by using your hand. Turn the hand wheel clockwise to loosen. Pull out the armrest to the desired width. Turn the hand wheel counterclockwise to tighten and secure the armrest in place. Press large button to inflate the lumbar support adjustment until you reach desired support. To deflate, locate the small button underneath and press. Twist the paddle to adjust the seat bottom forward to backward. Angle headrest cushion to the desired location, either as a headrest or neck roll. To adjust the height, lift up the headrest. There are 5 ratchet positions. The 6th ratchet position will return it to the bottom. Place hands on the bottom of the chair and lift up to the desired position. There are 5 ratcheted positions. The 6th ratchet position will return it to the bottom. And now it's time to make it your own, comfortably.